Hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. This is Down for Glam and what we do here is nails. What we're going to do now is paint some tips, you guys. We're going to paint some tips. This set is short and sweet and easy to do. You can accomplish this very, very quickly. These first two nails are going to be black, and this is the Modelones black polish. I'm just really taking my time on this application to make sure everything is thin. Like any black polish that has a lot of pigment, the Modelones will wrinkle up because the underlayers won't be cured if you do too thick of a coat. Any pigmented polish will do that. So make sure that you are always working in thin coats. It is so, so, so important. Now the other nails are going to get these colorful treatments, and we are going to mirror these colors on the black nails as well with a little art treatment, and you'll see that soon. And I love the blue, green, yellow combo. They are perfect together. One of my favorite combos, so that's why I picked that. Plus, they're just very nature-inspired colors, right? And even though we are adding blue to this, which is not really so natural in this situation, I love the combo, so that's why I went with it. Now we are coming in. At first I thought we might do vines, and then as soon as I started laying this down, I was like, no, let's do fern fronds. Are they fronds? I think they're fronds. Anyway, fern leaves. How about that? And I'm varying the colors here. Like I said, blue is not really a natural color for a fern per se. Although, you know, there might be some blue ferns out there. There's blue grass. So there you go. So now we are coming in with those same colors and just making our little leaves. And we're going to go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. And this treatment is going to be repeated on the other nail as well. You could certainly just cure this as it is, but I thought adding a little something sparkly would make it extra special. Oh my goodness, I'm trying so hard not to sneeze. Oh my goodness, sorry for the sniffle. Look at how cute that is. First of all, that would, if you stopped right there and took some of that vine off, you'd be really close to a super cute dragonfly. So I love me some dragonflies. And I used to see those a lot in California, as well as more abundant plant life, and not just more abundant, more varied plant life. And there were a lot of ferns and stuff in the canyons and things that I used to go hiking in with my dogs. And I used to have 2 dogs when I lived there. I've only got the 1 dog now. But I'm clearly missing it because I keep gravitating toward things that remind me of California. And I just can't live in California anymore right now. So I'm just going to have to express my love for California and the wildlife there through my nail art. Like where I used to live in Fresno, they had the juiciest big fat squirrels that I just thought were so cute. I love them so much. And possums. Lots of possums. Okay, so now on these colored nails, what we're going to do is add some random little gemstones. I'm looking for one now, apparently. There we go. We're just going to put some gemstones in random spots. No rhyme or reason. I didn't think this out. If it went there, I left it there. And then once we get all of the gemstones placed where we like them, and this is going to happen on all the colored nails, then we're going to sugar it. This is a very glittery, sugary set. So I took nature and just made it glam. And this is the finished set, guys. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about these. We will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.